students. Today we are discussing about antigen-antibody interactions. Already you know about antigens and antibodies, and the interaction between antigen-antibody, and that includes the antigen-antibody interactions. And what are the features of antigen-antibody interactions? And these antigen-antibody interactions are similar to like that of enzyme substrate reaction. You already know about enzyme substrate reaction. What happens in enzyme substrate reactions? Enzyme combines with the substrate to produce a product, and in that way antigens also combined with the antibody that results in the formation of antigen antibody interactions. And these antigen antibody interactions are also called as serological reactions. And in these antigen antibody interactions, these are a bimolecular association between antigen and antibody occurs. Bimolecular association between antigen and antibody occurs, and there is no irreversible change in conformation of antigen and antibody occurs during the antigen antibody interaction. Normally enzyme substrate reaction enzyme substrate conformational changes occurs, but here in antigen antibody interactions there is no conformational changes. That means there is no irreversible changes does not occur during the antigen antibody interactions. And in these antigen antibody interactions, these occur in different stages. In the first stage, the normal reaction between the antigen and antibody occurs, whereas in second stage that leads to the visible effects like precipitation and agglutination reactions. And next, the third stage, it includes the destruction of antigen or its neutralization reaction. The reaction between antigen and antibody occurs in three stages. First stage, when direct contact between antigen and antibody occurs, and next stage next agglutination and precipitation reaction. Third stage includes the destruction of antigen or its neutralization. Phagocytosis process and destruction of antigen by phagocytosis or by neutralization reaction. Normally valency of antigen is multivalent, whereas the antibody valence is bivalent. And antigen binding sites antibody variable regions. Variable regions are the antibody binding regions. And here association between antigen and antibody involves many covalent interactions, and that interactions occur in between antigen determinate region of antigen and variable region of antibody. And next, these antigen antibody interactions, these are specific reactions, and sometimes cross reactions may occur due to the antigen similarity. Cross reactions occur due to antigen similarity. And the combination of antigen antibody is firm but reversible. That means these are influenced by different types of reactions, and mainly the antigen antibody interactions, and these are specific reactions, and these are also reversible reactions, and these results in the formation of precipitation and agglutination reaction. And what is the specificity of antigen antibody interactions? Currently hypervariable variable regions or the antigen binding sites in antibody antigen determinants bind antibody bind variable region, and that is the specificity regions that involved in antigen antibody reaction, and it is similar to a lock and key model. In enzyme substrate reaction, lock and key model similar to that antigen antibody reactions occurs. And what are the binding sites? Binding sites antigen binding sites epitope, and whereas antibody binding sites paratopes, and that are the binding sites of antigen antibody interactions. And next, and the force that occurring in between antigen antibody reactions, the binding in between antigen antibody in antibody interactions, and these are mainly due to the three factors, and that is by closeness between antigen and antibody, and by non-covalent interactions or the forces that are responsible in binding between antigen and antibody, and also by affinity of antibody, and these are mainly responsible for the binding combination for the antigen antibody reactions. And next, coming to the what is the strength, what are the bonds responsible in between antigen antibody reactions. నార్మల్గా మనకి ఏమేమి బాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి, హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్, ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్ బాండ్స్, హైడ్రోఫోబిక్ ఇంటరాక్షన్స్ అంటాం, వాల్ టు వాల్ ఇంటరాక్షన్స్ అంటాం, అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ మెయిన్లీ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ ద స్ట్రెంగ్త్ టు ద యాంటీజన్ యాంటీబాడీ రియాక్షన్. హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్ అంటాం, హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఫామ్ అవుతాయి, హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్ ఆర్ ఫామ్ బిట్వీన్ ద పోలార్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అంటున్నాం. ఆ పోలార్ మాలిక్యూల్స్లో మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి, హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్ ఆర్ ఫార్మ్డ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, ionic bonds. Ionic bonds means charged molecules between the positive and negatively charged molecules. The bond formed is called as the ionic bond, and this is also responsible for the antigen antibody interactions. Next, hydrophobic interactions. Hydrophobic interactions means these occur in non-polar amino acids. రెండు మనకి antigen antibody అనేవి ప్రోటీన్స్ అంటున్నాం. ఈ ప్రోటీన్స్లో ఏముంటున్నాయి, amino acids ఉంటున్నాయి, and different types of amino acids are present, and here the hydrophobic interactions are found when the side chains of non-polar amino acids are come close together, and that are the hydrophobic interactions. And next, van der Waals interactions. Van der Waals interactions are occurred due to the temporary transfer of electrons from one molecule to another, and that are the van der Waals interactions. And these are the main strength that given to the antigen antibody reactions, that are the bonds forces responsible for the antigen and antibody interactions. And next, antigen antibody interactions are also depend upon the affinity, avidity and cross reactions. What is affinity? Affinity means, affinity అంటే ఏంటం, affinity అంటే లైకింగ్ అంటాం నా, ఎంతైతే స్ట్రెంగ్త్, ఆ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ వాటి మీద యాంటీజన్కి యాంటీబాడీకి మధ్యలో ఎంత స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఉందో దాని మీద మనకి ఎఫినిటీ అనేది డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది, అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ద యాంటీబాడీ ఎఫినిటీ అంటాం. ద strength of binding between antigen and antibody, and that is called as the affinity of a reaction. నార్మల్గా ఏంటి, యాంటీబాడీ అనేది యాంటీజెనిక్ డిటర్మినెంట్స్ మీదే బైండ్ అయ్యింది అంటున్నాం. ఆ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నామా, ఎఫినిటీ ఆఫ్ దట్ రియాక్షన్. ద స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ బైండింగ్ ఆఫ్ యాంటీబాడీ టు ఏ మోనోవాలెంట్ యాంటీజెన్ or hapten or antigenic determinants is called as the affinity of the reaction. Whereas the low affinity antibodies enti loose ga bind avuతాయి, whereas the high affinity bond they give strength, high strength, high bonding, and that is the affinity of the reaction. Next, avidity of the reaction. Affinity ante enti, the strength of the binding of antibody to a monovalent antigen or hapten or antigenic determinant, that is called as the affinity of that reaction. Affinity of that reaction. Next, avidity. Avidity అనేది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మనకి ఫార్మేషన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత యాంటీజన్ యాంటీబాడీ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, కానీ ఆ ఓవరాల్ కెపాసిటీ ఎంత ఉంది అనేది దట్ గివ్స్ ద ఇండికేషన్ ఆఫ్ avidity ఆఫ్ దట్ యాంటీబాడీ. Antibodies are present in where? Serum contains the antibody antunam. The serum containing antibodies, the capacity of antibodies to combine with the multivalent antigen, and that is called as the avidity of that reaction. The overall capacity of antiserum containing various antibodies to combine with the whole antigen, that is called as the avidity. It is used to denote the overall capacity of anti-serum to combine with the multivalent antigen. Multivalent antigen means it contains many antigenic determinants, and that antigenic determinants has to combine with the antibody, and that capacity of antibodies to combine with the antigenic determinants is called as the avidity of that reaction. That is the affinity and avidity of the reaction. Next, cross reactions. And what are cross reactions? Cross reaction means if antibodies are raised by one antigen, the antigens produces the antibodies, and the body antigen, foreign antigen is introduced into the host cell, then the host cell produces the antibodies against that particular antigen. That means here the antibodies raised by one antigen can cross react with the another antigen, and that reaction is called as the cross reaction. Antibodies raised by one antigen can cross react with the another antigen, and that reaction is called as the cross reaction. And this cross reaction mainly occurs during the blood grouping. ABO blood grouping లో ఏంటి మనకి ABO and AB blood groups ఉంటాయి, and that contains a different antigenic determinants, and due to this they share the common antigenic determinants, and due to this cross reactions occur, and that is the cross reaction. And next we come to the bonus effect. In antigen antibody reactions, ఏమవుతుంది, నార్మల్ యాంటీజన్ యాంటీబాడీ రియాక్షన్స్లో యాంటీబాడీ బైండ్స్ విత్ ద యాంటీజన్, అండ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ the two antigens are bridged by single antibody. Two antigens are bridged by single antibody, and sometimes, but in some cases, two antigens are also bridged by two antibodies, and that phenomenon of giving extra strength to antigen antibody complex by binding of two antibodies to two antigens is called as the bonus effect. Bonus effect అనేది ఎలా పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద యాంటీజెన్స్ ఆర్ మల్టీవాలెంట్ అండ్ యాంటీబాడీస్ ఆర్ అంటే యూనివాలెంట్ ఉండొచ్చు, బైవాలెంట్ ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ బైవాలెంట్ ఆర్ మోర్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ ద ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ యాంటీజెన్ యాంటీబాడీ ఇంటరాక్షన్స్. Two antigens are bridged by two antibodies. That means here the antibodies are giving extra strength to the antigens, and that effect is called as the bonus effect. These are the main introduction particulars for the antigen antibody interactions. Antigen antibody interactions are like strength interactions formatable formation of bonds occurs, and that bonds are of mainly hydrogen bonds, hydrophobic interactions, van der Waals interactions, and electrostatic interactions. And also the strength of bond depends on the affinity, avidity, and cross reaction. Affinity means the strength of binding of antibody to antigen, and next avidity means the overall capacity of binding of antibodies to multivalent antigen, that is called as the avidity. Whereas a cross reaction means due to the presence of similar antigenic determinants, the antibodies elicited by one antigen can cross react with the another antigen, that is called as a cross reaction. Bonus effect ఏంటి? Bonus effect means two antigens are bridged by two antibodies. That means here the antibodies are giving extra strength to the antigen, that is called as the bonus effect. This is the introduction part to the antigen antibody interaction.